Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to the Rising Star Academy. Today we are going to start the chapter number 7 of mathematics, that is the integration. So let's start. First of all, we will learn about some basic formula of integration. So let's start. The first one, that is the constant function, like we have a d of x. So the integral of a, that would become ax plus c. C is called the constant of integration. So let's see some examples for this, like 3d of x. So the answer would be 3x plus c. Similarly, we have 5dx. The answer would be 5x plus c. We have minus 10 dx. Answer is minus 10x plus c. We have 1 over 2 dx. The answer is 1 over 2 times x plus c. So this is the application of the first rule. The next rule is very important, that is called the power rule. So we will discuss about the power rule of integration, that is x to the power of n dx. In power rule, we will add the power with 1, and the denominator we will write the same thing, n plus 1, and the next is plus c, that is called the constant of integration. So for the application, let me write like x to the power of 3. So we would apply the rule, that is x to the power of 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. So that would become x4 over 4 plus c. When we have x to the power of 6, it would become x to the power of 6 plus 1, that would become 7 over 7 plus c. More example, x to the power of 10, so it would be x to the power of 11 over 11 plus c. If we have x to the power of negative 10, so x to the power of negative 10 plus 1 over negative 10 plus 1 plus c, that would become x to the power of negative 9 over negative 9 plus c. Next we have minus 15 dx. So when we add minus 15 with 1, that would become minus 14 over minus 14 plus c. For the next example, if I have a fraction value like 1 over 2 dx, so x to the power of half plus 1 over half plus 1 plus c, that would become 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus c. We can also write like this, 2 over 3 times x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. So that's all. Now we will move to the exercise now. Now we will solve exercise 7.1 with question number 1. So we'll start. We will take the integral of x cube minus 2x plus 1 over x square d of x. For this thing, we will take the integration, but before integration, we have to move the variable from denominator to the numerator. So first of all, we will simplify. x cubed minus 2x plus x to the power of negative 2 dx. This is the law of indices. Now we will integrate one by one. So the best way, I would separate them like 2x dx plus x to the power of minus 2 dx. We will apply the power rule over here, so that would become 3 plus 1, 4 over 4 minus the constant value would be remain as it is. So here we have x to the power of 1, so that would become x2 over 2 plus x to the power of negative 2, so negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. When integral solved, at the last we will add c. Now I will further simplify it. Okay, now we will further simplify. So next would be x4 over 4 minus this 2 is gonna cancel out. We have x square plus x to the power of negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. This negative sign will change this sign by multiply it. So we have minus x to the power of negative 1 plus c. The next, we have a negative x bar, so we will reciprocate it by writing it 1 over x plus c. So that would be our final answer. Now move to the next part. In the next part, we will solve it. Integral sign of x times x plus 3 whole square d of x. Now, the first step, we will open the result x plus 3 whole square by applying the identity. So that would be x square plus 9 plus 6x dx. I used identity over here, that is a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay, now we will further simplify before taking the integral. That would become x cubed plus 9x plus 6x squared dx. Now I would separate them, x cubed dx, 9x dx, 6x squared dx. So the integral of x cubed, that would become x4 over 4. 9 would be written as it is, so it's x power 1, that would become x square over 2, plus 6 would be written as it is. So here I apply the power rule, that would become x cubed over 3 plus c. Now we will simplify it further. Okay, further simplify. So x4 over 4 plus 9 over 2x square. This is gonna cancel out. So 2x cubed plus c. This is our final answer. Now we'll move to the next. In C part, we will take the integral sign of 3 over x square minus 6x square d of x. In first step, we will simplify, so that would be 3x to the power of negative 2 minus 6x square d of x. Now we will separate them. So we will add 1 in the power according to the power rule. So that would be 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. Further simplify x to the power of negative 1 over negative 1 minus 6 into x power 3 by 3 plus c. See the next step. Okay, so here we will simplify 3 times x to the power of negative 1 over negative 1. 3 2 times 6, so negative 2x cubed plus c. Further, we will write negative 3 over x to the power of positive 1 minus 2x cube plus c. So that would be our final answer. Now move to the next part. Simplify it. Integral of 2 times square root of x plus 1 over square root of x dx. We know that the square root of x, it means x has the power of 1 over 2. So 2 into x to the power of half plus 1 over x to the power of half dx. So 2 times x to the power of half. So taking this in the numerator by writing x to the power of negative half dx. Now we will integrate it. So 2 into x to the power of half plus 1 over half plus 1, x to the power of negative half plus 1 over negative half plus 1 plus c. Simplify it further. Okay, so 2 into x to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus x to the power of negative half plus 1 would become positive half, and here positive half as well. So let's check the calculator. So minus 1 over 2 plus 1, that would become positive 1. On further simplification, we can write 2 into 2 by 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 2 over 1 into x to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. So that would become 4 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2. 2 over 1 mean 2, that is x to the power half plus c.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And please like and share the video. Thank you.